One of the conditions we see a lot here in the clinic is fibromyalgia. This is a very difficult condition to treat. The information about the condition is still kind of being known. It used to be a condition that was given as a kind of umbrella term. We don't know what's wrong with you. Let's stick the name fibromyalgia on it. Now we're starting to realise that this is a condition that's both autoimmune, inflammatory, and also a nervous system disorder. So it's kind of interested into three different parties. And it's very, very difficult to manage. And I get asked, well, can acupuncture help? Yes and no. A lot of the cases we have, acupuncture helps with the pain, with the fatigue. It helps with some of the nausea, some of the digestive issues, but it can also completely and utterly wipe that person out. Remember I did a video about spoon theory. One acupuncture treatment can completely knock out all their spoons and put them on a deficit for weeks. It can cause a huge flare, but at the same time, it could calm a flare. It's down to the individual person. One of the ways that I often treat fibromyalgia here in the clinic isn't with acupuncture at all. It's with reflexology. I find that it tends to treat the patient just as well as acupuncture, but without leaving the patient exhausted. And that doesn't always mean reflexology on the feet. A lot of people can be funny about having their feet touched. In fibromyalgia, the feet can be very, very tender. So we'll often use the hands. And we will use the same reflexology treatment, but on their hands. And one of the areas we work a lot on is this area here and this area here. And we find that really, really helps. And we can self-massage these to help with fibromyalgia. So that's one of the things I'd say. If you're suffering from fibromyalgia, give acupuncture a try. You might be one of those that it works for, but be prepared. It may flare you and it may leave you completely and utterly zonked for a day or two. In which case, think about some reflexology. It's very relaxing, treats the entire body and helps with nervous system disorders, inflammatory conditions, but also helps with autoimmune fibromyalgia. So this has been Thoughts with Points. Take care.